Hey everyone, you are on the Proxy-Seller channel. My name is Max. In today's video, I'll show you how to add a proxy to Puppeteer using JavaScript. Let's get started. Launch your code editor. I'll be using Visual Studio. Then select the JavaScript library. Copy and paste the code displayed on the screen, which you can also find in the video description below. Enter the proxy details in the proxy-server field of your code. Include the IP address and HTTP port. If using a free proxy, no username or password is needed, and you can remove any lines related to authorization. For a private proxy, be sure to input your username and password in the designated fields. Set the browser's start page. I'll use hooer.net to check the IP address location. Save your changes and run the code. As you can see, the current IP address now matches the proxy IP. That's it. Proxy setup in Puppeteer is complete. Remember, free proxies pose security risks and lack reliable anonymity, often leading to blocks. For secure and private online experiences, turn to our company Proxy-Seller. We offer 100% anonymity and top-notch security. Our selection caters to various needs, supported by 24/7 assistance. Check the description for a 10% discount code and a link to our site. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Turn on the notifications by clicking on the bell and hit the like button. That's all for now. See you guys in the next video.